बनती है जन्नत भी जहन्नम भी, ये खाकी अपनी फितरत में न नूरी है न नारी है.
So we have another performance is a speech by Sitara Dotani, daughter of Noor Ahmed. Her topic is Hell is inside us and so is heaven.
But though the field is lost, all is not lost. The unconquerable will and the study of revenge, immortal head and the courage never to submit or yield. Mr. President, let the audience know that every seed that sprouts, every flower that blossoms, every wave that lights, every star that twinkles, every drop that breaks and every rain that rains, pronounces highly and announces loudly that hell is inside us and so is heaven. Mr. President, the Prince of Machiavelli, the poetry of Allama Iqbal, the dirty politics of Nehru, the positive politics of Quaid-e-Azam, the struggle of Gandhi and the efforts of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan proclaim that hell is inside us and so is heaven. Mr. President, from the drama of first born on the scene of first creation to the interesting guilt of the creation of universe, from asking the angels to bow before Adam to appointing them as caretaker of him, from making man the in charge of heaven to appointing him as vice-gerent on earth, from jumping through your blessings to the execution of Mansoor on gallows, from the victory of Badr to the victims of Karbala, every commandment of Kun Fayakun, every incident of history and every particle of universe claim that hell is inside us and so is heaven. Mr. President, what happens when a man focuses on the hell inside him? History says that when a man chose to hit the hell inside him, there happened the fall of Troy, the attacks on Pearl Harbor, the atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and the decline of great Roman Empire of Mughal kingdom and of Ottoman era. I weep upon the fall of Hiroshima. I weep upon the fall of Damascus. I weep upon the fall of Dhaka. I fall upon the thorns of life. I bleed, Mr. President. My Kashmir is bleeding. Our Palestine is bleeding and our Karbala is still bleeding. Mr. President, is it not the irony of nature that from the very start there come an objection on the creation of men? Then Saturn refused to bow before Adam, then Adam was turned down or not, he had to go before idols of thousand stems, sometimes swept away by the flood, sometimes wiped away by the pandemics, and sometimes sold out in the bazaars of Egypt. But, Mr. President, when I realized the heaven inside me, I became Moses and stood against Pharaoh. I became Socrates and drank poison. I became Galileo, I became Archimedes, I became Kindi, Rumi and Razi. I became Kandi, Sati and Shirazi. Because I believe it is neither circumstances nor material things that decide, but it's our own determination that decides either. We want hell inside us or heaven. Mind is its own place, and in itself can make heaven of hell and hell of heaven. Mr. President, as long as the world will be amazed by the work of Arfa Karim, soldiers will recall the patriotism of Soldier Maqbool Hassan, dark lights will be done by the sun of determination, the hell outsiders will be defeated by the heaven inside